Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now we are starting our class. Yeah. I in our previous class we have discussed the topic telling stories through picture. So this class is in this class I will just give you a brief overview of these slides, and then I will show you some pictures that will motivate you or that will guide you that how can you select pictures for your own story. Fine. Now I told you that telling stories are fun as well as an art. It needs your efforts. Okay. So be careful when you are selecting pictures, and there are some steps involved in picture story. These are very simple steps that we have discussed earlier. The first step is to think of your idea. Yes, Anaula, your hands are raised. So okay, I'm coming towards you. But before this, I have to give you a review. Okay, that you have to think of your idea of think of your idea means select your idea and get whatever you think that if you think that this topic is interested for you or this event is interested for you, brainstorm. Take it, go through the brainstorming and thinking more and more, concentrate, and after getting your idea you have to plan your story, make a storyboard. And okay, these concepts will be. Yes, Savera, I'm also coming towards you. Okay, think of your idea. Think of your idea. Here, a few steps you have to follow. That thinking is there means you use your mind, brainstorm, and while you are thinking of your idea, so be careful about your choices and about your access. That you want to write a story on your Eid day, so you must have the pics related to your Eid day, and all the pics should relevantly show a whole whole scenario of your Eid day. Means whatever you want to show through the pictures. So the pictures should support your feelings. Okay, plan your story. Of course, you cannot directly uh, go towards the stage of uh, adding the pictures. You have to first plan that first will come that you will first talk about this, or second you want to show. First you want to show this thing, secondly you want to show this thing, then you have to move towards this position. So make some steps. Okay, and after that you have to put your stories. I told you about these pictures. So in this way you may add, though the pictures are not giving the complete scenario because I don't have complete pictures of this this conference, but you may add as per your requirement. Last stage is the stage of your creation, where you have to bring transitions, where you can bring effects and but jokes are not allowed. Means everyone cannot understand your jokes. You have to use some captions, and this is the simple way to write some stories. Okay, and now I'm taking you towards some other slides. So wait for a while. I have to first search them. I hope that these pictures are, this screen is visible to you. So look at the picture and see the scenario that it is a sun setting time and they have the clouds. Look at the lights and the grass on which these elephants are moving, or they are going somewhere. ठीक है, and look at their numbering कि सबसे छोटा आगे है फिर पीछे है कि बड़ा is like वो कहते हैं ना elders work like the guards and they are at the back side for the safety. So आपको ये सब चीजें मतलब यहाँ राइटर कुछ कहना चाहता है. When you are selecting the picture, so be careful about your selection. ठीक है, because pictures should show your mood as well. Look at this desert. जिसमें एक बहुत खालीपन है, बहुत मतलब गहराई है. If you want to convey such things, such feelings, so look at these tigers. And the background reality, it's a collection of pics that I got from slideshare, and I hope that they will appeal you more than the simple pictures. And these pictures are showing the complete mood, what the author wants to convey through them. By looking, when I saw this picture, so I remembered the song "What a Wonderful World." Really, it's a wonderful world where you can see many things, many beautiful things in this world. Yeah, look at this picture. This is also very much appealing. So your selection of pictures should be appealing. बहुत अच्छी सी होनी चाहिए. That should appeal to readers as well. Fine. Yes, enough. And see the colors of this bird. These all are the pictures of animals, but it's up to you. You may select any picture you because you have to select your topic, then you have to work on it. But I just gave you an example that how can you select good pictures, how can you bring the effects in them. Now moving towards the question, I'm moving towards question answers session. Yes, Savera, you want to ask something? Yes, please, Savera, what's your question?